Hello, everyone. My name is Lamise Taha. I'm a CPA with Sage Tax Advisory, and today I'm going to present on the Paycheck Protection Program. By now, we've all heard that the CARES Act was signed into law on Friday, March 27, 2020. The Act provides relief for individuals and businesses that have been negatively impacted by the coronavirus. Today, I'm going to talk about the Paycheck Protection Program as it stands as of today, April 3rd, 2020. Note that the guidelines are changing on a daily basis. This is available to nonprofits, self-employed, and small businesses. Today, my focus is only on small business. This is an SBA lending program. Businesses need to apply for this 2-year loan through a financial institution. They have to have less than 500 employees to qualify. The amount of the loan is the lesser of $10 million or 2.5 times the average monthly payroll cost incurred in 2019. For purposes of the program, payroll costs are defined as compensation up to $100,000 per employee, tips, payment for time off, payments for health insurance premiums, and any retirement benefits paid by the company. There are no fees, collateral, personal security requirements, or prepayment penalties. The interest rate is 1%. Loan payments will be deferred for 6 months. The purpose is to get money into the hands of small business owners as fast as possible to help them sustain operations over the next 8 weeks. Starting today, April 3rd, small businesses and sole proprietorships can apply for the loan. The nice part about this program is that borrowers are eligible to have a portion or all of the loan forgiven. The amount that can be forgiven is the amount spent during the 8 weeks after the loan origination date for the following: payroll, health insurance, rent, mortgage interest, utilities, or interest expense on business loans incurred prior to February 15, 2020. Note that at least 75% of the loan must be used for payroll. The debt forgiven is not included in taxable income. The forgiveness amount can be reduced if either of the following occur. There is a reduction in the number of full-time employees, or there's a reduction of more than 25% in wages paid to any employee earning less than $100,000. Small businesses have until June 30th to restore full-time employment and salary levels for any changes made between February 15th and April 26th. Some of the documents needed are the 2019 quarterly payroll reports for 2019 showing gross wages for each employee, documentation showing health insurance and retirement plan contributions paid by the company in 2019. Note, as of today, we're still waiting for the Treasury Department and the SBA to release the official document list. Some of the key points to consider. Some banks are only servicing clients that have an existing business deposit account with the bank as of February 15th, 2020. Lenders may begin processing loan application on April 3rd. However, as of today, financial institutions are still waiting for additional guidelines from the SBA and the Treasury Department. So the key here is to have as many documents ready as possible so when the banks have the system up and running, you're ready to go. Part of the reason for this is banks are getting paid based on the number of loans they issue. So the faster they can process your loan, the faster they get paid. One other key thing I want you to think about is you should really think of the loan as having a forgiveness portion, but be prepared to pay part of this back. The reason being there's still a lot of gray areas and things are changing on a daily basis. Some additional resources that I think would be helpful are the Small Business Administration website as well as the Small Business page on the U.S. Department of Treasury website. Here's my contact information. You can feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions or concerns, or if you need some guidance on this. Everyone stay safe out there, and I'll talk to you soon.